Good morning, students. So last class we did from civics. About monarchy, something I am telling now. Yes, monarchy. Take decision till there we did from here to there. So democratic governments. India is a democracy. This achievement is the result of a long and eventful struggle of the Indian people. बहुत कष्ट बहुत struggle কৰাৰ পিছত এইটো হৈছিল democratic independent. There are other places in the world where people have also struggled to have democracies. You now know that the main features of a democracy is that the people have the power to elect their leaders. So elect কৰে নিজে নিজে সিলেক্ট কৰি থাকে. So in a sense a democracy is ruled by the people আৰু indirectly কোন হয় people বিলাকে কি কৰে ultimately rule কৰে. The basic idea is that people rule themselves by participating in the making of these rules. Democratic government in our times are usually referred to as representative democracies. In representative democracies, people do not participate directly but instead choose their representative through an election process. The election process. This representative meet and make decision for the entire population. These days, a government cannot call itself democratic unless it allows what is known as universal adult franchise. This means that all adults in the country are allowed to vote. But it was not always like this. Can you believe that there was a time when governments did not allow women and the poor to participate in election? In their earliest forms, governments allowed only men and who owned property and were educated to vote. আৰু কি হয় educated যিবিলাক আছে সেইবিলাকৰ vote দিয়ে. This means that women, the poor, the propertyless and the uneducated were not allowed to vote. সিহঁতক ভোট দিব দিয়া নাছিল তিৰোতা মহিলাবিলাকক. কিন্তু আজিকালি ইণ্ডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চ এইটো মতে হিউমেন ৰাইটছ বুলি কয় ভোট দিয়াটো. The country was governed by the rules and regulations that these few men made. In India before independence, only a small minority was allowed to vote, and they therefore came together to determine the fate of the majority. Several people including Gandhiji, were shocked at the unfairness of this participate and demanded that all adults have the right to vote. This is known as universal adult franchise. এইটোকে universal adult franchise বুলি কয়. যিমানবিলাক আছে বহুখিনি মানুহ যাৰ যাৰ হৈছে আৰু ভোট দিব পৰা সকলোৱে দিব পাৰে. আৰু জাতি ধৰ্ম ভাষা এইবিলাকৰ কথা নাই. চ' সেইকাৰণে গান্ধীজী বহুত চেষ্টা কৰিছিল, বহুত কি কৰিছিল ইয়াৰ ওপৰত আন্দোলন কৰিছিল. Writing in the journal Young India in 1931, Gandhiji said, I cannot possibly bear the idea that a man who has got wealth should have the vote. যাৰ যে সম্পত্তি আছে সিয়ে যে ভোট দিব লাগিব এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কোনো কথা নাই বুলি কৈছে. But that a man who has got character but no wealth or literacy should have no vote, or that a man who works honestly by the sweat of his brow day in and day out should not have the vote for the crime of being a poor man. So poor হোৱাটোতো crime নহয়, এইটো নহয়। So কোনোবাই মানুহ poor, কোনোবাই rich ন, কোনোবাই middle class, so এইবিলাক সেইটো এটা crime নহয়। So ন, so এইবিলাক rules regulation আমি দি যিবিলাক vote system আছিল সেইটো বন্ধ কৰাৰ কাৰণে কথা হৈছিল। আৰু এইবিলাক হয় ডিছক্ৰিমিনেশ্যন হয় এটা, সেই ডিছক্ৰিমিনেশ্যনটো থাকিলে বেয়া। So some people always unfair, so unfair কিছুমান মানুহ সেইটো কথা কৈছে। So till here see nicely, other part we discuss next class. Thank you.